Hey, it's Mike here again with ingearmoto.com, and I'm going to the post office once again to drop off a package. Someone just bought a SPIDI Trackster jacket, and I just loaded it up. You can kind of tell I'm desperate to ride the CBR. This one is going to Maryland. One of the reasons I'm desperate to ride is I just got this Ohlins TTX GP shock put on the rear, and I'm just working at getting the settings dialed in just right. So yeah, and I'm gonna wear my two-piece tracksuit on about a 90-degree day here. So let's see how this is. If you haven't seen my video with my dilemma about what to wear on a track day, this is gonna help me decide. So yeah, might look a little goofy going on the road, but as soon as I walk into the post office and have everybody look at me like I'm nuts with my leathers on, I'll be able to zip that up and hit the country roads and have some fun. So see you later. Alright, so I'm just out riding around on a 96-degree day in my leathers. I don't know if you can see it in the glass there, but I wanted to stop by this place. It's fairly close to my house, and I'm thinking it might be the next evolution for in-gear moto. Open up a little retail space here, and then sell online as well. I know things are going to be strange for a while from a retail standpoint, with possibly make appointments and have people come in. I think it'd be cool to do like bike nights and training, different things like that. Kind of a hangout for people on motorcycles. And it's beautiful where we are. It's somewhat of a destination for most people, but here in Minnesota, we're a little for that in the summertime. We want places to go, so yeah, decent sized parking lot. Inside it's at 2,000 square feet, and then I get the ability to sell the brands I want to sell, because they don't just let you sell that stuff unless you have a retail location, which is kind of backwards. I think it'll probably change here soon. The way things are going, I can't imagine most retailers are keeping the big distributors flowing like they want to, so I'd be guessing that the big distributors are going to start opening it up for purely online retailers, but there's some pretty big players in that space that might not allow it. So I don't know. I just wanted to show you this, see what you think, and a little shot of the bike there too. Looks good, huh?